You helped a lot of people as a doctor, as an educator, live better lives, live longer, but you yourself are a mortal being. Do you think about your own mortality? Do you think about your death?
Oh
Are you
yeah.
afraid of death?
Oh, I'm not. I've faced it. Uh, I've been close. Yeah.
Yourself?
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you think about it? What wisdom do you gain from having come close to death and the fact
Um,
that the whole thing ends?
it's liberating. It's very liberating. I mean, I'm serious. I was close and not too long ago. Um, and it was a sense of, this may be the way it ends. And I've done my best. It's not been perfect. And if it ends here, it ends here. The people around me are trying to do their best. And in fact, I got pulled out of it, but it didn't look like I was going to get pulled out of it.
Are you ultimately grateful for the ride, even though it ends?
Well, it's a, it's a little, I think so. If I know, you can't take the ride if you know it's going to end well. It's not the real ride. It's just a ride. But having gone through the whole thing, I definitely freed me of a sense of anxiety about death. And it said to me, do your best every day because it's going to end sometime.